Okay, it's the next day, and we now have the operating system installed onto the SSD, and I will now. This is now the part I don't need this guide for because I know how. I know my way inside this computer. I'm gonna cut out this part of me undoing the screws. Okay, I got the screws undone, and now is the installation process, or uninstallation for, 1 second. Yeah. That should be straighter. The uninstallation for the old hard drive. I believe this process is different depending on what kind of MacBook you have, what model, like 13-inch or 15-inch. Like, some of you may need to remove the battery, not this one, I know, but it's a pretty easy process. Yep. There we go. Okay, now I can lift this out very carefully and unplug it. Okay, and this was the previous hard drive that is now uninstalled, and I may actually install on a different computer that, depending on whether it has an Intel processor or not. It is a Mac computer, but I got my SSD right here. I don't. 1 second. Let me just compare size. Okay, yeah. Comparing size, you see that the Apple one is slightly bigger, except the holes, which is another thing I need to unscrew. I remember now. Are at the same level, so I will not need to use this at the bottom to raise it up. I will not. Got that screw right here, I believe. It's a hexagon screw. It's not the ones that like go with the power supply though. Those are slightly different. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I am unscrewing these out of the hard drive, these little things, I guess, that plug into there. See those orange things? They help keep it in here. Trying to get a better angle for you to view this. Okay, last one unscrewed. Done with this hard drive. And now I'm going to put the screws back into this SSD though. this is a tedious process. Okay, 2 more. And 1 more. Wait, 1 more. And after I got this installed, I will test it, make sure startup disk is correct, make sure everything starts correctly, and then we are done. Still filming, yes. I had to lower the quality of the video recording because my phone does not have enough space to record high quality. I would if I could. Promise I would, but I don't have the space. I believe this goes in this way. Maybe the other way, but I don't think it matters. No, that's all the way in. There we go. So, you put it back that head. The hexagon. And, okay. Now I can screw this back in. So the SSD is now installed. Now I just need to do 2 screws back here. Sorry if you cannot see. I am trying my best to get everything in the recording. There you go. I do not have any HD recording good cameras at my house, so I'm using what I got, my phone. But most phone cameras are pretty good quality. Like I could record a higher quality, but I'd have to delete everything off my phone to do it, and I do not want to do that. I'm going to now cut as I need to reinstall or re-screw the back panel. Okay, now I'm attempting to boot it. I'm hoping that it's gonna turn on. It has turned on. See how fast that's going? That was going like a fifth of that speed when I had the hard drive in, because SSD's faster, no moving parts, and boom. It booted. Look, the hard drive's not in. See? Right here. SSD. It worked. Macintosh SSD. Renamed it. Let's put this at the top. And this is what's really taking up most of the space, I believe. Get info. This is taking up 43 gigabytes right there. That's from my dad when he used this MacBook. I put this on our what's it called? Time capsule. Youngman's time capsule is connected to our internet. It's one of those internet things that Apple provides. I don't want my desktop looking messy like my dad's, where he just throws on random crap. Let me get it perfect. There, okay. Well, that's gonna be it for this episode. This was the 3rd episode, I believe, which was installing the SSD.